So, yes, I am actually deleting all the social media apps from my phone for 7 days. Instagram deleted, YouTube, Prime Video भी मुझे delete कर देना चाहिए because it's a distraction. Jio Hotstar for sure. And yeah, my phone is completely free of all the distractions. If you have seen my last video, then you know that this video is all about challenging myself and actually coming back on track. मैं बताती हूँ क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ and why am I doing this. I'm being completely consumed by social media. If I feel like I need more ideas या फिर कुछ भी हो, I go on Instagram, I keep scrolling. अगर कुछ भी मेरा perform नहीं करता, I feel bad and then I just go on social media and then it feels good. But I don't want to do that because अभी I'm focusing on skill building. अगर मैं अभी मेरा टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हूँ ऑन दीज एंटरटेनमेंट एंड चीप डोपामीन, then it's not gonna help me in the future. And I knew this for the longest time, but I would not feel like deleting Instagram. But yesterday was a time when I thought कि let me do this and document it. Basically, अभी मैं जा रही हूँ cafe for work. Today is Sunday. Let's go. हाँ.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night under street lamp, red face flame by the light. I'm going away.
So just now I clicked a picture of this setup. It's like I was thinking of posting the story and then I realized that I have just deleted Instagram. This was a realization. Bam. I'm in the washroom.
Gone away. I'm gone away.
So in my office right now, I am going to shoot some videos जो मैंने अभी note down किए थे in the cafe. Today I didn't waste a lot of time because I didn't have any option to, and I am actually getting so many creative ideas, and I have not felt this for so long in my life. I don't remember when did I feel this last time. So I'm so happy because I have no one to compare to. I have no option, I have no escape. I'm just stuck with my laptop. This is the real lock-in, I guess.
And the sun gonna shine on the.
This is Mommy Shah. Hi. This is Sister Shah. This is Brother Shah. And this is Fiance Shah. We are on walk as usual. After bharpet khana.
Surprisingly, आज के दिन मुझे सारी स्टोरीज पोस्ट करने का मन हो रहा था. मतलब there was one story that I wanted to post since so long, but मुझे मन नहीं हुआ. Today I edited and I wanted to post it. Then I told my fiance to do it, and here's the screen recording. He's doing it. And one more thing. Today I was the most productive. मतलब मैंने दिन की शुरुआत की थी लेटन दे के. मतलब 1 घंटा मैंने इसमें डाला था. And then I was like, you know what? It's time. I delete the Instagram and YouTube and all the other social media and whatever apps. So I did it at 1 p.m. and this is my usual time. But today I could achieve so many things. I could complete everything, still get time to be with my family. It's crazy. It's crazy, literally. I can't explain this to you. You have to experience it yourself. Bye. Okay, so it's day 2 and अभी बजे हैं 12:30. Today I was planning to go to gym but I did not because बारिश हो रही थी and it was a good enough reason to not go to gym, which I'm regretting, but ठीक है, कल जाएंगे. एंड ओवरऑल आज मैंने थोड़ी रील्स देख ली है मेरी बहन के फ़ोन में. मतलब शी वाज शोइंग मी, आई वाज लाइक ओके यस यस यस, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड. ठीक है, आई हैव नॉट वॉच्ड इट इन माय फोन एज सच, सो आई एम नॉट काउंटिंग दैट in. Okay, so I have received this parcel and I don't even know who has sent me. Okay, I think this brand talked to me about 2 to 3 months ago. How am I supposed to remember this? Honey! I was not expecting this, seriously. Wow. I'm gonna open it on my stories now. And if you're not following me there, you should do that. Okay? Bye. It's matcha time. Hey, update. It's 8:40 p.m. and आज इतना काम किया that I didn't get any time to do anything else. I don't even have time to read book. I'm so happy. There were times jab I felt to open and see what's there and see the updates, but of course I had to be disciplined. So I did not do that. But I think it's important because had I not missed out on those, I would not have completed the tasks that I did today. Dinner is left, walking is left, and then I'll call it a day. Just read the book and washed my face. Now going to sleep. Good night. Bye. Good morning. It's transition time.
I am waiting.
Dabba packed. Water bottle ready. Packed. Let's go. Hi from the office, and I want to enact something to you. So this is me in the elevator. Just imagine that, and I'm here. Like I'm thinking of opening Instagram, but there's nothing, and that has been happening to me since the last 3 days. Yeah. I was working on this video for the longest time, but I just completed this. I'm gonna post it now. So now I will shoot for one video that I have. Do reel shoot karni actually. I have less time and more work to do, so let's get going. Also update, I will need to download Instagram to post this reel, so I will do that. But of course, I'm not gonna scroll. I will just post it and delete it. I hope it's fine. It's fine, I guess, yeah. One shoot down, candle making is still on the hold though.
On the street.
मैं just walk करके आई हूँ. It's 10:30 p.m. and मैंने नाइट ड्रेस नहीं पहना है. I'm in that sweaty clothes because yes, this conversation is that important. Listen to me carefully. मैंने जब ये सोचा था ना कि I'll do this challenge, of course it was my personal problem that I wanted to overcome. But now I'm at a point जहाँ पे I'm realizing that this is what I was in severe need of. क्योंकि जब मैंने ये किया ना, I realized that the things that I was pushing myself for and I was forcing myself to do, like being disciplined, taking less phone, not wasting my time, working, getting things done on time, all of that just got solved. Don't get fooled by what you see, because just before I took this challenge, I was someone who would spend days and days just sitting at the beanbag of my office, doing nothing, self-doubting, or thinking about ideas that would never come. And this is not exaggeration. This is something that I have felt. I have felt worthless. I have felt like everyone else is ahead of me. I think most of us will relate to this, because I think this is the reality of today. The distraction is literally everywhere. I just didn't stop using Instagram or YouTube. I deleted every single app, and इससे क्या हुआ ना कि I was not, even subconsciously also, I was not consuming anything. Probably मेरा brain जो dopamine ले रहा था phone से, from social media, scrolling, whatever, now it doesn't have that. So now what my brain tries to do is it gets the dopamine from completing the tasks. And I thought, yes, yeah.
On the street lamp.
Okay, so I have not given you any update from today, but I just completed making one video for YouTube, which is something that makes me happy.
I'm going away.
Bye bye.
Gone away. I'm gone away.
So we have this run club in Surat, जहाँ पे we run every Wednesday. But this is my first time here, so I'm first time running. Cool. Let's go.
Must be so.
भागते हुए करेंगे ना क्या भागते चिटिंग कर रही है guys came for 3k completed 5k very happy I don't know if what I experienced was runner's high but I think I can do it again
I'm gone away. I'm gone away.
Hello, it's the end of day 4. It was a kind of roller coaster. It started off good. I actually recorded a YouTube video. I got ready a little bit early. Didn't go to gym because I was planning a run today. फिर YouTube video shoot करने के बाद, it went a little down because I was having self doubts when I was trying to record for Instagram because I was not getting any idea मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. फिर I went to run, which was also skeptical, but I did show up for it. I actually went for 3k because this was my first time running, but turns out I completed my 5k unknowingly because मुझे नहीं दिखा कि कहाँ से मुझे टर्न लेना है for 3k. So I went for 5k, came back, and then I came to know, okay, I have actually completed 5k. Crazy. क्रेजी हो गया एकदम. बहुत पॉइंट पे मुझे लगा था दैट आई वांट टू वॉच सम वीडियो, आई वांट टू वॉच सम कंटेंट फॉर इंस्पिरेशन, बट आई वाज लाइक यू कैन नॉट. एंड had I not been on this challenge, I would have wasted so much of my time scrolling others content pieces and would have felt even worse than what I'm feeling today. I'm feeling very low today because of the run. There's no energy and मैंने कुछ slide setup कुछ भी नहीं किया. I'm just like कर देते हैं ये वाला, ठीक है. चलो bye. I'll show you one thing. Got a shoe bite from yesterday, and we are working on the new video. A little snacks break. So we are going to buy tennis racket from Decathlon and then we'll play tennis because that was in my vision board. So
we are going to buy rackets.
this one. It's Sultan. So good. So pretty. Okay, so the experience was crazy. Like, okay, to be honest, I did not got trained for it. I actually had it on my vision board, so I wanted to try it. So हम दोनों YouTube पे देख के गए थे some tutorials, some videos, and we tried to do it. बहुत भागे हम लोग. Had my dinner, सब storage खाली करके I'm just here recording. See ya tomorrow. A quick, not a quick, but an update. आज पूरा दिन I have just consumed. I'm embarrassed.
this is my laptop and I've been consuming movies, YouTube videos, content. Yeah. I'm embarrassed. But ठीक है ना, मतलब कर सकते हैं एक दिन. Okay, fine. I'll get work done. Not today because अभी तो मतलब क्या? It's actually night. ठीक है. Chalo. Tomorrow I'm gonna get the work done that I had to get done today. I'm so embarrassed because it's Tuesday today and I stopped recording on Saturday, Sunday combined. I watched 5 movies around and बहुत सारा मतलब मैंने time pass किया, rest किया. I just enjoyed myself, which I kind of regret, but it's fine. Like we should, right? Because I was just out of the entertainment and wo wala part. I was not watching movies. I was not watching any series or reels, anything. I was just working, focusing, and all that. So I think it was a entertainment burnout or what, like work burnout. Monday को भी मैंने बहुत काम नहीं किया, थोड़ा बहुत काम कर लिया था. But today I'm back to work. That's it for the video. But I think this is very important. It really helped me a lot in terms of staying in the moment and not comparing myself with the world. See you in the next video. I was supposed to actually shoot another video today. Oh my god. Bye bye.